How to return Shein items. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can return this Shein item. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Shein application in your mobile device and log into your account. After you're logged in, now to view your order details, tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner, and from here tap on View All next to My Order. And in this page you will be able to find all your orders. Now, if your order is in processing phase, tap on the processing from the enter phase, and in this page you will be able to find all your order that is being processed in Shein. Now to cancel the processing order, select your order. After you tap on it, on the next page you will find a button to return or cancel the order. So for that, simply tap on return items or cancel order. After that, you will be asked to enter the reason. Provide your reason, and once it on, confirm it. After that, the order will be cancelled and the items will be returned to Shein. If you have any unpaid order that you would like to return, tap on Unpaid and choose your order. From there, again cancel the order, and with that your order will be removed from your account. And if your order has already been shipped, you have to contact to Shein customer care. Contact the customer care and ask for help to return the items to Shein, and the customer care will help you return the item. And that's how you can order or return the Shein items. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.